Dear viewers, hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty and staying at home because of corona pandemic worldwide. Dear viewers, you can ask me why I am here in the paddy field today. Actually, in our last class, we told you that we would teach you how to speak in English using natural objects. That is why we are here today in the paddy field. In this video, I am going to tell you how the farmers of our country cultivate paddy, what is the condition of our today's farmer and what were the condition of the farmers of our country in past. Dear viewers, you know that in past the farmers didn't know how to use scientific or modern tools and machineries in cultivating. But today we know that the farmers are using modern tools and machineries in cultivation. In past, the farmers didn't get enough seed, fertilizer and pesticide for their cultivation, and they just had some handmade tools for plowing their lands. Dear viewers, from home and abroad, hope you all are enjoying our today's spoken English class. Dear viewers, hope you are enjoying our today's spoken English class, and in this class we are showing you how to be competent in spoken English by giving description of natural objects. In past, the farmers of our country were not at all literate. That is why they could not know how to produce bumper crops. That is why our country used to suffer from hunger, from malnutrition. But in 21st century, we see that the farmers are using scientific tools and modern machineries in their cultivation. That is why they have been able to produce enough crops for themselves, for their families, and for the country above all. But nowadays, in the 21st century, we see that the farmers are using modern tools and machineries in their cultivation. That is why they have been able to produce enough crops for themselves and for the country above all. Even today we can see that some educated youth have changed their notion. They have engaged themselves in cultivation rather than seeking jobs in office as well as factories. In past, the farmers had to wait for the mercy of rainwater for producing crops like paddy or rices in our country. But nowadays, in the 21st century, the farmers do not have to wait for the mercy of rainwater for producing crops like rice as well as or paddy. They have now the modern tools and machineries for cultivation. That is why sometimes they do not have to wait for the mercy of rainwater. So dear viewers, dear learners, we know that the mission of your life is to be a perfect speaker of spoken English. That is why I am telling you to shift your focus to anything you have in front of you, beside you or around you. Suppose you are in your reading room or anywhere you are now, you can start describing the thing you can see in front of you. Suppose there is a mobile phone or laptop beside you, you can start describing the mobile phone or laptop or anything. You can even go on describing the fan that is moving round on your head. We know that for the sake of cultivation of rice or paddy, the farmers have to, that means have to make the land clear of any kinds of weeds, and they have to that means they have to use water so that they can soak their land properly. When the land is soaked properly, the farmers plant seeds for tender saplings, and when the tender saplings get ready for plantation, the farmers take it to the mother field, and after taking it to the mother field, the farmers, what do they do? We see that the farmers apply fertilizers, the farmer apply pesticides, and after that they start that means planting their tender saplings in the motherland, in the mother field. And during this time, you know, people even from city, I mean the city dwellers even pay a visit to the countryside so that they can enjoy the natural beauties of the nature. Dear viewers, we know that people always feel attraction for natural beauty. Even the city dwellers feel attraction for natural beauty. That is why during this time, during the time of cultivation, the city dwellers often would like to pay a visit to the countryside so that they can heal the sorrows, they can heal the sufferings of their humdrum city life. So, dear viewers, hope you have enjoyed this class absolutely at your heart's content. And if you are truly benefited from our today's class, don't forget to do the like, share, and subscribe our channel. And one more thing is that if you have any opinion to opine, you can easily send it to our comment box. Thanks a lot, dear viewers, and enjoy your time.